Enganzi y'ihanga Right Honorable Robin Nabanja niwe yabajwe ekirori omwebembezi w'ihanga aha mukoro gw'okujaguza ekiro ky'Ebisharara omu ihanga kandi omukoro ogu gwaba mbuga nkuru ez'ekitongore eky'ebyebibira omu rurembo rwa Kampala kandi aha niho yabasiza kutongozaho orunaku oru.
My singular honor to officially launch the National Wetland Strategic Plan for 2026-2036 for God and my country.
Oguna bwanyuma yashama obutumwa bw'omwebembezi w'ihanga aho yasiima abanya-Uganda boona ahabw'okugumana bakoma ebisharara kandi barikubikozesa nk'oku biine kubikozesa hatariho kubashaba.
President of the Republic of Uganda, allow me to say that today marks a significant milestone in our collective journey to safeguard Uganda's wetlands as we officially launch the National Wetland Strategic Plan. This strategic plan reflects our renewed commitment to protect, restore, and wisely use these invaluable resources to the benefit of present and future generations.
Omwebembezi w'ihanga omu butumwa bwe yashoborangwa abantu biine kukuuma ebisharara ahakuba biine omugasho gw'amaani aha bantu ahamwe n'enyamiishwa otiireho n'okureetaho enjura ahamwe n'okubuganyirwamu omu by'obuhingi.
And these ecosystems are important for one, rain formation, water purification, and act as habitats for a wide range of wildlife such as birds, fish, plants, and amphibians.
Okugendera yashoborangwa omu mahanga gaheeru ebisharara mbabikuuma nk'ebintu eby'obuhangwa ngu kandi abantu biine kukuratira ebiragiro ebirikukwata aha bisharara.
I call upon all stakeholders, government agencies, development partners, local authorities, civil society organizations, the private sector, and communities to join hands in its implementation. Protecting wetlands is not the responsibility of one institution alone. It is a shared duty that requires unity, innovation, and commitment. Together, let us ensure that Uganda's wetland remain a source of life, resilience, and pride for generations to come.
Omwebembezi w'ihanga yayongera asha abantu boona abeetoreire ebisharara okwejumbira omu kuliisa ebyenyanja nikwo kiyambeho omu ntunguuka y'amaka gaabo.
The NRM government remains committed to conservation, sustainable use and management of wetlands. I urge communities living near wetlands to engage in fish farming at the edges of the wetlands.
Minister w'ebyobuhangwa bw'ensi Minister Beatrice Anywa yashoborangwa ebisharara nibyo birikuyambaho mu kurinda hamwe n'okutangira okutwarwa kw'itaka n'ahabw'eki abantu biine kukuuma ebisharara hamwe n'ebyobuhangwa.
These wetlands are the kidney of our landscape, filtering water, controlling floods, supporting biodiversity, and nurturing our agriculture and fishery. But they are much more than that.
Gashakorona Dingabirano, Ahawata West.